Hey, what's up? It's Nick. All right, it's Friday. Pretty good day trading. I did 4K today, so pretty happy about that. I wasn't able to review any videos this week and get them uploaded. Super busy, but fortunately I can today. But I'm just gonna, if you're wondering how I did this week leading up to this, this is the 16th. So we'll do 1650 before commissions and fees. This is from the NinjaTrader virtual desktop for my phone and iPad that I do from work. This is 17th, 685. Did this from an FBO in Miami. Yeah, and this was the 15th. This one was hard. I was down 1200 and ended at 155. Just super distracted that day, but it all worked out. So let's get into today. Very good day. Pushed up, touched VWAP, and then started moving down. And I got stopped out a couple times here. I tried getting short, got stopped out, but now we're looking to get short again. So let's watch this DOM, see what we see. Okay, we see the seller start pushing it down. You can see the momentum picking up. Buyers didn't give up yet. We're trying for the short now. Scratched that. Didn't like the way it started going against me, but got back in because it looked like it was starting. Added to it. Added again. Seeing if this thing can start working its way down. Just got too short there. Boom, starts working down real quick. Got out one, got out two because we're stuck. Starts going against me. Two stop out at the break even. Good trade. Pretty happy with that. Alright, this trade now. Okay, so I'm going for a long and then I change my mind and flip it short. Looks like we're starting to pick up some momentum here. I'm trying to size up. Getting a little stuck there, but I'm trying to give it some room to breathe. Take off one. I took off two there. Now I just have a stop that I'm going to trail down. Just seeing if this thing could push lower. It's looking like it's getting held up here on the DOM, so I just get out my remaining two contracts. All right, this next trade I call the James Mulholland trade. It's just something him and I were talking about. I do not recommend doing this at all, and I will probably never do it again. Sorry, James. Just something we were talking about. All right, so I'm looking to go along here. I'm looking for another push up to test VWAP. It starts going against me. I want it to hold above 145. Kind of average down. Not the best thing, but it looks like we're holding. Okay, but the true power of the James Mulholland trade hasn't shown its face yet. Okay, we're almost at break even right there, but what happens? What do you think? This thing's going to rip against me. But with the James Mulholland trade, you don't have to take a loss because we are just going to pump in 20 contracts right there. Just pump it in 20 contracts. Our average is now 4 points away. It rips up, ask for forgiveness from the market, and just get out. That is the worst trade you could ever possibly do. Do not ever do that. James, I did it. All right, this next trade, let's see what's going on here. We're at the bottom of, well, this is shortly after that terrible trade. At the bottom of this volume profile. Looks like we're well below open. We're below VWAP. There's more support, higher time frame. Down here, high fat areas of the volume profile. I think I'm gonna go for a short here. So we see on the DOM, yep, short, cool. We see started pushing down, but now it's working its way up. So bad entry, maybe didn't have a setup there. It did look like momentum was picking up to the short side, and now we're testing again. I added once it starts working, which is a good job. Good job. Adding when it works is good. Adding when it doesn't work is bad. I'm starting to scale out 2 contracts there, just because it got held up here. The buyers were supporting it pretty well. So I reduced my position size, but I still want to see this thing work. It looks like it could. Okay, reduce my position size there again. Still holding though. Sellers aren't giving up. Yeah, it starts moving against me just a little bit, but not anything alarming yet. This is going to be the critical point. It starts working in our favor. We're feeling good. I didn't like it though. I reduced my position size just 1 more contract, just in case that's a fake lower. Starts working, pushing a little bit lower. Not really going anywhere though. Get that safety stop in. We already pushed our luck. Should have had stops in sooner. Yeah, it's just not going anywhere. So you see how it was all frozen? That's not good. Alright, so this is shortly after that last trade. Thinking we're going to go long here. Okay, nope. As you saw, the selling pressure started picking up, pushed down. Looking for this thing to rip down. But as you see, it's not. Should have a stop in. Kind of pushing my luck. It's a problem once I get a nice little cushion on the day. I don't get those stops in. But what I do is I reverse the trade, because now it definitely looks like this is going to be a long trade. Added more to my position there. Probably should have got a safety stop in there. And then if you got out, you got out. While this is going on, I am just ready with that hotkey to go flat. Starts working in our direction here. You saw the buyer support. Now you see the momentum push up. You saw that immediate push back from the sellers. So I took out 3, took out my other 3, my last 3, and we're out. And it immediately starts pushing down. So lots of selling pressure there. Didn't get that reverse that I wanted. Now we push down even more. The buyers are showing some support. You can see them starting to work their way up. But now the sellers are pushing it down. They're fighting back. But I'm thinking the buyers have the upper hand here. Getting with 2 contracts. It's holding this level. Had a nice reversal down here at 115. Possible resistance coming in there and there. We're just going to see if this could work. Definitely looks like a lot of buying pressure. That's a strong candle there on the 1-minute chart. Okay, sellers trying to push back down. Immediate buying. So awesome trade. Bad part about this trade is I didn't scale up. I was so quick to scale up in like all of my other trades, and then this one I just had 2 and I just rode the 2, which was amazing. But definitely needed to scale up on that. That would have been huge. All right, so $4,000 day. Obviously, I didn't cover like losses. They were just small, and sometimes there was a bunch in a row. But hey, it's Friday. Great day. Well above average for profits. Definitely gonna look over those setups a little bit more. Not gonna look at the James Mulholland setup because holy crap, that just felt like a mistake as I was doing it. But I told myself I was gonna do it for him because he's always joking around like, oh well, it doesn't matter. But hopefully you got something out of this video. Definitely a good trading day. Hopefully you saw not to do the James Mulholland. hopefully you realize what a mistake that was as I did it. Um, Alright, so Monday there will be another video. I'll definitely be here. It's gonna be a holiday though. It's a half day trading, so it might not be the best. Tomorrow I think I'm gonna put out a video on how I look at the charts. I use the 1 minute chart, how I use my volume profile chart that's normally on my other screen, and then just how I have the other screen laid out. So that should come out tomorrow, if not Sunday. Should be a good watch. So make sure you like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments how you think these videos are going, what you need to see that's different, what you like to see that you want to see more of, and yeah, we'll do it. I'll see you next time.